Power! Welcome back to another video, guys. We're working on the Vectra today. Finally, I'm installing the Atoto media system that we took out of Project Shed, and it's going in the Vectra. So without further ado, make sure you like this video, subscribe for more awesome videos, and thank you for the guys that joined me in the live stream last week. Really appreciate it. Quickly look at what we've got. It's a big mess of everything. There's the unit, it's all touchscreen, business, Wi-Fi aerials, there's GPS aerials, there's everything there, and then there's the tyre pressure monitoring kit as well. So we're going to get that on the Vectra. That's what we're going to do in today's video. So this is the unit that's currently in the Vectra at the moment, which is not a bad unit, to be fair. I've actually come to actually quite like it whilst I've had it, but I like the idea of having one of the Android units because you can just do more. But it's a very clever piece of kit, this Pioneer unit, and a few people's actually asked me to sell it them, so I'll stick it up for sale anyway. But yeah, so that one's going to come out, which should come out quite easily because nothing's really securely attached, because if you remember from previous videos, there's no cage in it. And I don't actually know if I've still got a cage for that, so I think I'm still stuck. But either way, the unit's going to go in, then eventually when I finally regards to get a bloody cage, I can fit it properly. But I can't actually get it out. I can't pull it out with my fingers, I'm a little bit stuck. I'll have to go get a screwdriver and pull it out. So I pulled out the other unit. As you can see, it's sat there waiting, and we have this really long loom. I want to test this unit by plugging it in to the ISO connectors. I can't freaking remember what they're called now, it's been that long. What I think I'm going to do, and I can stare at you guys while I'm staring at the camera, is I'm going to get the reversing camera that will work with this, or I think most reversing cameras will. Because why not, you know, why not utilise it to its max, and have a reversing camera. So I'm going to connect it in and test it, make sure it works. Just, it should do, but I'm going to test it anyway. And then we'll start putting it all back together. So I've swapped seats, because why not? I've just run the wire to the DAB receiver up there. Now what I actually did is, unfortunately, I snapped it. So the aerial is about an inch long, instead of like sticking down here like it did in the Golf. But I tested it, it still works, but it probably won't work as good. This is the wire that goes into the USB bit. There it is. Goes in that and plugs into the back of the Edge unit. We've got the Wi-Fi aerial to put on, and the GPS to put on, which are nice and easy. They plug straight onto the back of the unit. That's not even part of that. I don't need that. That was for something else in the other car. Then we've got USBs, like spare USBs that we can. I think there's a. Oh, freaking! I was dropping everything. There's holes around here somewhere because I remember seeing them. Hole there, so I might get the USB into there or something like that. There's also holes in the back of there. So I wonder if it might be best if I pull one of the USBs into there, because that's probably the best place to put it. So we're going to do that as well. I want everybody to know that I ripped that dashboard apart with my hands and one flat blade screwdriver. That's how easy it comes through. So there's my wire that we can now hide out the way. It's not on, it's like to the side of the gear shifter, so you're going to get caught. It just means I have to plug it in here. Plug the CD player in here when I'm putting it in. I just don't have a lot of wiggle room. The other wire on that, it says easy connection. Now I plug the DAB into this one and the tyre pressure monitoring system into the USB on the back of this unit. So let's get that now. Oh crap, I pushed it away. Come on, get on you bugger. So let's get that USB out now, whilst I remember. Because this is the tyre pressure monitoring system USB. So that will plug into there. Like so. So now I need to push. So everything's plugged into that now, except for this one, which I'll plug in obviously as we push it back. No, hang on. Where's the freaking wire gone? That one, that white one there. Plug the DAB into this now, push that out of the way, and then push everything in and hope for the best. Right, and guys, so the unit is back in place. It's just started to rain, so I ain't bothered going to film in it. But like I said, the unit's in place. It's all working. The DAB is kind of working, even though I snapped that aerial. I want to put the tyre pressure monitoring system on, which are these 4 sensors. Which, yeah, they look a little bit big to say they're on a valve, you know, they're not the best looking thing, but this is a car I use every day, and it's not a show car, so I'm quite interested to see what my tyre pressures are. So how these work is literally you screw this one down the thread of the actual valve, and then you screw the relevant one for the relevant wheel, because they say what they are, like right, left, rear left, front left, rear right, etc., front right. Say what they are, so you just put them on where they are, and then it'll link up with the system on here. So I'm going to disappear for, well, nothing for you guys. You know, I'm going to disappear, do that while it's raining. Going to get wet, and I'll come back to you once I put it on. Excuse the wind, guys, if you can hear it. So these are now on. They're not double nutted, so they can't be taken off without the really thin spanner. Now it's just time to. I need to put the keys back in. I took the keys out. I don't know where the keys are. Oh, the keys, and they're not car keys. Where's this stick on my seat? This is what my life's like. Lost my keys. I actually lost the keys, I'll come back to you. So here we are, fully working. It says offline, but it's not actually offline. Come on, I want to search home. Offline. You're not offline, you're online. You're just connected to my phone. Come on. I'll give you a sec. Right, so the tyre pressure monitoring system. Yes, I need some washer fluid. Loading. I'm hoping now that all 4 of them are going. There we go. You can just use a reflection of me. You can see that all 4 are green. 28.4, 31 point whatever it is, 0.3, 30.3 and 30.9. So I need a little bit more in that front one. But on the whole, we're good. So the tyre pressure monitoring system is up and running. These you only have to type in Bluudys to bring up my garage. So we go for the last car mods on the Golf. We make it full screen. Look at this. Oh, I got advert playing. I love the I don't love the reflection. The reflection's really bad. Bad for filming anyway. Skipping. Dead. It's me! Love it. Love it. Hang on. Where's the bit of video I want? And we've debadged. You man here? Guys, no, I'm not the best when it comes to cleaning cars. I don't know where it is. Lights. Good day when you finish project. We have finished project. Enjoyed the project. You know, we've done a lot of things on it. But yeah, it's time to. Where's the bit of video that I want? Yeah. Yeah. Na, 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 na. Yeah. Look how good she looked. Daft deals. Boom, boom, heart of fire. Love this song. I'm done. I'm done. It's sold. Love it. Upside now. I hate you in your face. I hate you in your face. I love that video. That is the Vectra for today. We have fitted the Atoto media system in it. I've tested the DAB off of camera for copyright issues. It does work. Don't think it's going to work as well with a bad aerial, but it does work. YouTube and that all works, as you've seen with my video clip of me watching me. The tyre pressure monitoring system works spot on, which I love. I think it's a fantastic piece of kit. So in the next video we will be installing that I just threw at the camera. That there is a resistor for the fan blowers. In the next Vectra video, that is. I don't know what video's gonna come out yet. Yes, because it's already stopped working. Apparently a new one was fitted not long back and it's already stopped working. It only works on blower 4. So that's the resistor to allow 1, 2, 3 and 4 to work. So we've got that to fit. Now, I did share a video on Facebook the other week, a picture that I'd started wrapping the centre console and that, but the wrap that I really like the look of is really shit. So I've already pulled it off because it looks shit. Creases up really bad. Yeah, there's no other word for it. It's shit. So it's currently not wrapped. The boot strip isn't wrapped at the moment because there's no point while it's crap. I need to either find some paint and paint it or get some better wrap. There's no other thing to say. So that's where we're at. So I'm wrapping this video up now. I hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you like and subscribe like always. The Pioneer unit, which I have taken out of the car, is currently spare. If anyone would be interested, let me know. I'm sure we can come to some sort of arrangement. A few people have asked for it. Oh, and I will clarify by saying today is the 3rd of March, which is Sunday, because I forgot what day it was. And I've just done a 220-mile round trip to put my deposit down on the next project car. That's coming to the channel. I am very happy, gonna be very excited. Not going to ruin it too well. I'm not going to ruin it at all. I'm not even going to tell you what it is. I know some of you watched the live stream last week on the Friday, and I said that I was going to look at Volkswagen. I did. It was crap. It's not that. I'll give you a clue. It's not a Volkswagen. That's the only clue you're going to get. So for this video, guys, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your time as always. I will see you in another video very, very, very soon. I will see the new project soon. Power!